Welcome back to Pure Vibes Kitchen. Today I'm reviewing 4 cookbooks from my collection. Let me know in the comments if you still use a cookbook or if you're all digital. This one is by Wiliiams, Sonoma, chocolate. Dessert always comes first. Whoa. Woohoo! And then these are all my handwritten ones that are just falling out of the cabinet. Savoring Italy, also by Wiliiams, Sonoma. And we've got the first Food Babe cookbook. And on my countertop, I have the Home Apothecary one, which we'll also be doing. And don't worry, I'll put chapters there in case you're interested in one or the other. But I could really use some help with the watch time. I don't know if you're a YouTuber or not, but they recently changed the criteria to get monetized. So we're all in this mad dash to get our watch hours. So anyway, enjoy the book reviews. This is Chocolate by Wiliiams, Sonoma. Let's take a peek inside. Everything you need to know about chocolate and equipment and all of these yummy truffle recipes. It's got fantastic pictures. A chocolate ice cream roll. Oh, I would love that. The Denver chocolate pudding cake. That looks to die for. I have to make that. Okay, so this is an excellent gift for anybody who loves chocolate. It would be a great addition to your library. Check out the Wiliiams Sonoma chocolate. This is a Wiliiams Sonoma Savoring Italy cookbook. This would be great if you've always dreamed of going to Italy, or if maybe you went to Italy and you want to capture all of the flavors and bring those home to your own kitchen. This is authentic Italian recipes. It has beautiful pictures in here and authentic Italian recipes. It looks so yummy. I would recommend this as a gift or a fabulous addition to your cookbook library. This is the Forgotten Home Apothecary. 250 home remedies inside that you could make from your own kitchen. This book is packed with information. Taking a look inside, there's a little piece about the author. Here's the table of contents. And then it's going to help you understand the equipment and supplies that you need, how to source the ingredients, how to process the ingredients, and how to preserve the ingredients. And there's also lots and lots of recipes for different remedies for the different areas. There's teas and tinctures and elixirs, all kinds of things. This book is just a wealth of knowledge. It is on the Amazon bestseller list. And if you like to make your own remedies, this is a great book to have in your library. It is an Amazon bestseller. If you're not familiar with this woman on the cover of this cookbook, her name is Vani. She's a food advocate for better labeling of foods and getting the junky chemicals out of our food so that we can eat nutritious, real foods. So I became a fan of hers and purchased this book. It has her introduction in here, tells a little bit of her story, and there's some really yummy recipes in here that are super simple. This shows you some of the chapters here. She's got mornings, drinks, shakes and smoothies, salads and soups, snacks and fun food, main dishes, sides, and desserts. And I have made quite a few things out of here. She tells you what ingredients to try to stay away from, different alternatives for these things, and you can, become a follower of hers if you like. She goes by Food Babe. That's super cute. And these are simple yet nutritious recipes. Sweet potato waffles. Oh, that sounds delicious. Banana nut overnight oats. So some of her recipes are really on trend for what we're seeing now in our culture, where people are moving in their food journeys. I've made her lasagna that has no pasta in it, and it is fabulous. Mexican lentil tortilla soup, so yummy. She's got these beautiful pictures here to go with it. I've used mine quite a bit. I've made some notes on some of the pages, and some of my pages are starting to come undone, but that's just because I've used it so much. So this, I highly recommend you check out Food Babe and her cookbook. If you made it through to the end, comment butter. I'm putting a link into this video of the Amazon storefront, the actual cookbook aisle, so that you can peruse and start building your own cookbook collection if you so choose. Thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe, like, and I always love to hear from you.